Hi, everyone. I hope you're having a great Friday wherever you are. It's Black Friday, so hopefully you're doing great. I wanted to make a video today about Palantir Technologies. It's a video I've been thinking about past few days because I just can't believe what's been happening. So I'm going to go over the price action. I'm going to go over a little bit about the company itself, and then just my overall opinion on the long-term potential outlook for the company. With that said, let's get started. I'm going to share my screen here. And if we start with the price action, I bought this on Monday, November the 23rd. I just been looking for something other than EV, and I wanted something that had growth and something that was futuristic. That's kind of the sectors that I'm interested in, or the actual profile of companies that I'm interested in. So with this, I couldn't believe what I had seen here. 154% return for the month, and then for the week it's 45%. It was just pure luck. I heard a lot about this company, um, as far as its potential, and there was just a lot of news feed out there. And looking at the chart, and then the founders, which I'll go over, I decided to jump in, and sheer luck was rewarded almost instantly. So here we go. So let's talk a little bit about Plantier Technologies. Um, there's nothing too much to report here. They've been around for a while, since about 2004, but unfortunately, with new tech, sometimes it's a while before there's demand for the actual product. But in the recent weeks, which we'll go over, demand is growing. So I expect there to be, return on assets and a bunch of fundamental fields that are missing here. Looks like they can cover their short term and long term liabilities, with the quick and the current ratio being 2.5 times over their liabilities. And also, if this is accurate, the gross margin is phenomenal. I'd say 20% gross margin, depending on the industry, but 65% is outstanding if that is accurate. Now look at the volume. It's 3.62 times its average, so it's at 207 million, almost 208 million shares uh, with a volume right now. And so let's go into a little bit about Plantier and what's going on with this company. So here you have it. I think on November the 18th, it was announced, Plantier Technologies announced today it was chosen by the U.S. Army to receive one of two prototype contracts for the Common Data Fabric and Data Security Solution. I'm not sure exactly what all of that is, to be honest, but if they're doing business with the United States government, obviously they have a very robust and reputable product, because the United States Army isn't just going to do business with anyone. And then some upcoming events. So that I went over the Army, and then the contract that they have with them. And then also, I was reading they are also going to be helping with tracing of um, they're going to be helping with the tracing of this COVID-19, as far as where those vaccinations need to go, with their ability to mine big data. And one of the things that kicked it off for me at the beginning of the week is, if you're going to have a successful business, you have to have a successful CEO with a good track record. So here we have Peter Thiel in 2004. He founded Plantier Technologies, and for those of you that don't know him, he was a partner with Elon Musk and co-founder of PayPal. And PayPal these days is over $100 a share. I can't remember. I think it might even be more than that. But just amazing, very solid. And here is a list of their solutions with the big data mining that they're able to do and create software solutions for data security for many different industries. So you have AI, you have auto racing, cyber, law enforcement, manufacturer, pharma. We covered a little bit about defense. We covered a little bit about. So it looks like the potential demand for the product is vast as far as what industries can use it. So that's all very exciting. And I think that's most of what I had covered. Obviously, the other thing to watch out for is that um, they're starting to get negative articles, and of course, I've seen this. I've seen this with other stocks that IPO or are EV, and how just parabolic growth. The issue is that everybody needs to get paid, so sometimes these short seller institutions will publish an article, and I think it was Citron again. If and those of you that have been tracking my videos or other, just other EV videos know that whenever Citron publishes a negative article calling Pltr Palantir a casino, the stock's bound to pull back. And we saw it with Neo pulled back about 15 or so percent when that article was written, but after that it didn't phase it. So once you believe in your investment and have conviction, you're bound to see these sprinkles of negative articles out there that will pull the stocks back. And that's just the nature of investing. There's going to be some good days and some bad days, but I wouldn't let that scare you too much. And then also risk management. So whenever you're going into these opportunities, I wouldn't risk more than I'm willing to lose. Say something went haywire and somebody had to file bankruptcy or something of that nature. Nothing of that is expected here. I'm just giving you an example. So I'm not a financial advisor. This is just for educational and entertainment purposes. So if you did please hit the like button. Think about subscribing if it was of value. And thank you so much for watching. I'm going to do more research. There's just so many potential IPOs and stocks to cover. I've got the battery technology green movement right now, so we've got switchback energy, that's another one. We've got blink charging. We've got so many to cover, and I will be doing reviews on those in the days to come. So thank you.